What God cannot
does not exist. I'm sure you know that slogan. Is associated with the early morning prayer by Pastor Jerry Eze. But I want you to pick some nuggets from that. But if you pick 10 people, at least you will see one of them that knows a slogan. What God cannot do does not exist. This is a platform. They are consistent with what they are doing. They are using all platforms to make the noise about the product that they are putting forward. That same strategy can be used by any business owner. Be consistent with what you are doing. Let people know about your product. You can go viral. You don't need to follow trend. You can be the trend. I'll talk about that later. So today, make more noise about your business. Be consistent about your marketing strategy.